Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start with endocrine system diseases, drugs of choice. So let's get started. Drugs of choice for acute and chronic adrenal insufficiency is hydrocortisone, which was short acting glucocorticosteroid. Drugs of choice for congenital adrenal hyperplasia, which one is the hydrocortisone. Drugs of choice for tumor induced brain edema is dexamethasone, which one long acting glucocorticoid. Drugs of choice for mineralocorticoid replacement is the fludrocortisone. Drugs of choice for premenstrual syndrome is SSRI, selective serotonin receptor inhibitor. Example, fluoxetine. Drugs of choice for dysfunctional uterine bleeding is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Drugs of choice for androgenic alopecia is finasteride, 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. Drugs of choice for hypothyroidism, which one the levothyroxine. Drugs of choice for hypothyroidism in children like cretinism is thyroxine. Drugs of choice for mixed edema coma is levothyroxine. Drugs of choice for reducing thyroid gland vascularity, potassium iodide. Drugs of choice for hyperprolactinemia is bromocriptine. Drugs of choice for acute gout is indomethacin, which one also non-selective anti-inflammatory drugs. Drugs of choice for chronic gout is allopurinol, which one is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drugs of choice for thyroid storm is propylthiouracil. Drugs of choice for making patient euthyroid before surgery is potassium iodide. Drugs of choice for thyroid cancer is levothyroxine. Drugs of choice for Graves' disease is methimazole, which one antithyroid drug. Drugs of choice for thyroid ablation is iodine 131. Drugs of choice for thyroid storm in India is potassium iodide. Drugs of choice for reducing somatic manifestation of hyperthyroidism is propranolol. Drugs of choice for diabetic ketoacidosis is regular insulin. Drugs of choice for pheochromocytoma is phenoxybenzaimine alpha blocker. Drugs of choice for acute hypercalcemia is furosemide loop diuretic. Drugs of choice for hypercalcemia due to malignancy is bisphosphonate. Drugs of choice for vaginal atrophy is topical estrogen or HRT. Next one, drugs of choice, lithium-induced diabetic mellitus is amiloride. Drugs of choice for steroid-induced osteoporosis is zolindrate bisphosphonate. Drugs of choice for osteoporosis is riloxifene, which one is a selective estrogen receptor modulator, SERM. Drugs of choice for prostate cancer is GnRH analogs, example buserelin. Drugs of choice for neurogenic diabetic insipidus is desmopressin. Drugs of choice for nephrogenic diabetic insipidus thiazide. Next one, drugs of choice for acute adrenal insufficiency is hydrocortisone. Mode of administration is intravenous. Drugs of choice for postprandial hyperglycemia is natiglynide. Drugs of choice for type 2 diabetic mellitus metformin. Drugs of choice for type 1 mellitus regular insulin. Drugs of choice for diabetic mellitus in pregnancy regular insulin. Drugs of choice for uncontrolled diabetic mellitus regular insulin. Drugs of choice for diabetic ketoacidosis regular insulin. Drugs of choice for diabetes in renal and hepatic failure regular insulin. Drugs of choice for controlling glucose level during infection in diabetes is regular insulin. Drugs of choice for diabetes in renal failure is ripaglinide. Drugs of choice for prevention of breast cancer is tamoxifen. Drugs of choice for prevention of diabetes is metformin. Drugs of choice for severe hypoglycemia in case of insulinoma is diazoxide potassium channel opener. Drugs of choice for emergency contraception is mifepristone. Drugs of choice for polycystic ovarian disease clomiphene citrate. Drugs of choice for oligospermia clomiphene citrate. Drugs of choice for corpus luteum insufficiency clomiphene citrate. Drugs of choice for anovulatory infertility clomiphene citrate. Drugs of choice for postcoital contraception is mifepristone. Drugs of choice for hirsutism is kyproterione acetate, which one androgen receptor antagonist. Drugs of choice for a large prostate is finasteride, 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. Drugs of choice for inducing labor oxytocin. Drugs of choice for BPH is tamsulosin. Drugs of choice for postmenopausal osteoporosis is raloxifene or bisphosphonate. Drugs of choice for prevention of postmenopausal osteoporosis is uses of vitamin D and the calcium. Thank you.